Another advantage of baking soda is clean your children's toys. Every family will have children, so their entertainment and happiness is also important to their health and growth also. So we can, with baking soda, we can clean children's toys also. Plush toys have a nasty habit of getting filthy and rather quickly at that. All you need to do is put them in a large plastic bag with 100 grams of baking soda inside. Freshen them up, freshen them up. Make sure the top is properly tied. After that, take it outside and shake it vigorously. This will get rid of any odors as well as draw out the dust. Vacuum the toys gently after removing them from the bag. Vacuum the toys gently. So what we should not wash. Just vacuum the toys gently after removing them from the bag. That is enough. But we can wash it. Um, you can wash it also, but vacuuming the toys gently is enough for removing the dust from the bag. Removing them from the dust.